Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. It's a girl, Star Flames, and we're back with another banging video. So, if you're new, you guys know the do. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell, and join the family. While you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and help your girl out. Now, guys, we're gonna chime into the report once again that is being covered by all media outlets about Tony Buzbee, because Tony Buzbee has been banished, and he has something posted on his Instagram page that is giving the sense that everyone and their mamas are telling lies about him when there's actually literal court documents backing up these statements. Now, following Tony Buzbee, trying to show proof that he's not banished, social media has come out to drag him because he's saying that, the media outlets are trying to clickbait him, and that's not true because they do in fact have actual court documents. So when he said that, social media was like, no, you're the one who has been clickbaiting us all along. Your clickbaiting games are over and you're just mad that you're getting exposed, and as such, you're trying to deflect and make things appear to be something that it's not. No, guys. Tony Buzbee has been barred from practicing law in the 5 boroughs that comprises of New York City, according to legal documents, which I'm going to include. So he has been banished to cover New York. So we're talking about the Bronx, Westchester, Rockland, Putnam, Orange, Dutchess, Sullivan counties in the state, which includes New York City, 5 boroughs. He has been completely banished. Now, many people may say Megan Cuniff, sometimes she's really off with her predictions, but Megan Cuniff is coming with actual court documents. This has been covered by even the Breakfast Club that is providing actual court documents. The Shade Room, Hollywood Unlocked, everyone is providing the court document because the court document is so easily retrievable at this point. So I don't know why it is that he wants people to believe something is happening that is not happening. And his request was denied on the 13th, and that's why he dropped the lawsuit against jayz. Do you guys remember when he filed the lawsuit? He did so back in October of last year, and then he amended the lawsuit on December 8th of 2024, the same night when Blue Ivy and Beyonce had their premiere of Mufasa, the Lion King. He did that to directly impact their, little moment. So when he amended the lawsuit, he named jayz as Sean Diddy Combs' co-accused. And, Alex Spiro had filed motion for him to be sanctioned because Alex Spiro was saying, you're filing lawsuits in a courtroom that you're not barred to license. However, jayz withdrew the motion for sanction because there was another lawsuit that he had brought up. And the attorney that was defending the client in that lawsuit, it was against Sean Diddy Combs. So the attorney clapped back and said, no, you are not licensed to practice before in this courtroom. The attorney on the other lawsuit is who brought it in front of a court, saying that Buzbee has been filing these lawsuits and he's not licensed to practice in these courtrooms. And as such, he basically filed for the Pro Act document or title, right? No. He was brought in front of the Committee of Grievances because he did something that he wasn't supposed to do. Now, when he was brought in front of the Committee of Grievances, he petitioned, right? He put in a petition and the petition was denied. And in the court document, it says the Committee of Grievances has considered Anthony G. Buzbee petition for admission to the United States District Court for the Southern District of New York. The petition, which was filed on January 29th, 2025, per the committee review of the docket, Mr. Buzbee has appeared in cases in the court without seeking admission. Therefore, the petition is denied. In the event Mr. Buzbee moves for pro act vice or regular admission in this court in the future, he must attach a copy of this order to his motion or petition. This was on the 13th. And this is why he dropped the lawsuit against Jay-Z, because he could not continue. Do you guys remember when he brought on Donald Trump's former attorney? And I explained to you guys that he brought on Donald Trump's former attorney. He brought on 2 attorneys on the VMA Bandit lawsuit. And I explained to you guys that the reason that he brought on 2 attorneys was because he had to get an attorney to represent Jane Doe in the Southern District of New York because he was exposed. He could not continue practicing there. So he had to have an attorney to defend Jane Doe. And the other attorney was to defend his license because of the motion that Jay-Z and Alex Spiro had filed for motion for sanctions against him. But then when he filed, again, he filed another suit, and then Sean Diddy Combs' attorney that was representing him on that case pointed out to the judge that, wait a minute, Your Honor, this man has been, committing some crimes. He has been violating code of conduct. And as such, that's how he was brought in front the grievance committee, and he was denied because they're saying that he was out of jurisdiction, and as such the document is there as proof. So no one is telling lies on Buzbee. Buzbee is the one who's trying to now twist this thing to make it seem as though, what everyone is saying is not factual. Buzbee is at fault. He's the one that has been, this is what Buzbee does. This is what Tyrone Blackburn does. But Buzbee is not admitting his wrong in this case. In this case, Tyrone Blackburn went to the court, in front of the court, and he asked the judge, for pardon. He said, I made a mistake, even though it wasn't a mistake. And he said that he learned from it. And the judge was, okay, no, I'm done. We make mistakes and we can learn from it moving forward. Buzbee is not doing that. And this is why he's going to end up in big, serious trouble. He may have fines to be paid plus sanctions. Who knows what's going to happen to him at this point? Because when you're coming out to call everyone a liar instead of taking accountability for what you've done, definitely it's not going to turn out good for him. But that's all I have to share in this video with you guys, because only time will tell what is going to be the end of Buzbee, because he's not going to get away. I don't know if you guys can't see it, but I can literally see it. He's not going to get away. And I think that issue is about to unfold when it comes to Buzbee. But what's your take? I want to hear from you guys. While you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up, share, stay safe, and see you guys in the comment section. Peace.